Today, we will learn opposite words. I'll explain each one, and you repeat after me.
I'm ready.
1. Strong, fragile. Strong means powerful. For example, he is strong and can lift heavy things. Fragile means easy to break. The glass is fragile. Strong,
Strong,
fragile.
fragile.
2. Present, absent. Present means you are here. You are present at school. Absent means you are not here. If you don't go to school, you are absent. Present,
Present,
absent.
absent.
3. Rise, fall. Rise means go up. Prices rise in the summer. Fall means go down. Leaves fall from trees. Rise,
Rise,
fall.
fall.
4. Safe, risky. Safe means protected. This place is safe. Risky means dangerous. Climbing without equipment is risky. Safe,
Safe,
risky.
risky.
5. Agree, disagree. Agree means you think the same. I agree with you. Disagree means you do not think the same. I disagree with him. Agree,
Agree,
disagree.
disagree.
6. Best, worst. Best means the top or number one. Worst means the opposite, very bad. Best,
Best,
worst.
worst.
7. Inside, outside. Inside means in the house. Outside means not in the house. Inside,
Inside,
outside.
outside.
8. Love, fear. Love means you care deeply. Fear means you are scared. Love,
Love,
fear.
fear.
9. Create, destroy. Create means make something. Destroy means break or ruin something. Create,
Create,
destroy.
destroy.
10. Light, heavy. Light means not heavy. Heavy means it weighs a lot. Light,
Light,
heavy.
heavy.
11. Modern, ancient. Modern means new style. Ancient means very old. Modern,
Modern,
ancient.
ancient.
12. Normal, strange. Normal means usual. Strange means unusual or different. Normal,
Normal,
strange.
strange.
13. Beautiful, plain. Beautiful means very nice to see. Plain means simple, not beautiful. Beautiful,
Beautiful,
plain.
plain.
14. Begin, finish. Begin means to start something. Finish means to complete it. Begin,
Begin,
finish.
finish.
15. Success, loss. Success means achieving your goal. Loss means you do not win. Success,
Success,
loss.
loss.
16. Polite, rude. Polite means respectful. Rude means not respectful. Polite,
Polite,
rude.
rude.
17. Fresh, stale. Fresh means new or clean. Stale means old or not fresh. Fresh,
Fresh,
stale.
stale.
18. Sharp, blunt. Sharp means it can cut. Blunt means it cannot cut well. Sharp,
Sharp,
blunt.
blunt.
19. Sunny, cloudy. Sunny means full of sun. Cloudy means full of clouds. Sunny,
Sunny,
cloudy.
cloudy.
20. Busy, idle. Busy means you have work. Idle means you are doing nothing. Busy,
Busy,
idle.
idle,
21. Private, public. Private means only for you. Public means open for everyone. Private,
private,
public.
public,
22. Alive, lifeless. Alive means living. Lifeless means not living. Alive,
alive,
lifeless.
lifeless.
Now it's your turn. Follow the channel for more daily speaking practice. Comment one word from today that you want to master. Your English grows one word, one step at a time.